In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best vinyl cutter for beginners available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Cricut is a well-known brand among professionals and enthusiasts in the arts and crafts industry in the United States. Many people adore Cricut machines because of their versatility, accuracy, and technological advancements. If you're looking for the best compact vinyl cutter, the Cricut Explore Air 2 Mint is the way to go. The reasons for its being the best DIY cutting machine are self-evident. To begin with, the versatility in terms of what you can cut is incredible. The machine is capable of handling over 100 different materials. The possibilities for cutting materials range from vinyl and cardboard to specialty paper and leather. You can execute a wide variety of projects with this machine's adaptability. Unlike other machines that limit you to 1 or 2 craft lines, this one offers a wide range of options. You may create garments and gifts, as well as make home decor, greeting cards, and unique stickers. The Cricut Maker, which comes with a superior rotary cutter that cuts extra deep, gives you the opportunity to experiment with a wide range of projects, including vinyl decals, paper crafts, and iron-ons, as well as leather crafts and sewing projects. The strong knife blade slices through thicker materials and makes sewing and quilting jobs a breeze. Furthermore, the adaptive tool system automatically adjusts the blade direction for increased precision. The machine comes with its own app, allowing you to plan your project on your phone or computer, as well as upload your own ideas for added flexibility. Whether you're a novice or a veteran, the Cricut Maker supports all common media types and is simple to use. You don't have to keep your content in cartridges when cloud-based storage is available. This vinyl cutter comes with updated software that works with a high-speed internet connection. If you prefer to work offline, you can use the iOS Design Space app instead. The Smart Dial tool makes it simple to select the appropriate settings with only a few clicks. Do you enjoy cutting dies on the go? A compact, lightweight vinyl cutting machine, such as the Cricut Joy, is all you'll need. This unit is lightweight, weighing only at under 5 pounds, making it an excellent choice for the traveler. In terms of adaptability, this small device is the perfect die cutting machine. It will enough for people who need to cut, write, or produce labels. The Cricut Joy comes with a free app that can be downloaded to your phone, computer, or tablet. Design Space is a free program that allows you to make your own designs or use dozens of ready-to-print graphics. You can even take things a step further by signing up for Cricut Access, a subscription program that gives you access to over 100,000 pictures that you can print with the Cricut Joy. This machine is unusual in that it is the smallest digital die cutter available. But don't be fooled by its diminutive stature. In terms of everything it can do, the device is a force to be reckoned with. For starters, it can cut continuous modules up to 10 feet long. It has a maximum cutting width of 6.5 inches. The Brother ScanNCut SDX 125EGY is the alternative for you on today's list if you're excellent with a sketchbook and want something that can convert your hand-drawn ideas into cuts. It has a built-in scanner, which you can use to upload new and unique designs to the machine, as we mentioned. However, before you begin scanning, you should familiarize yourself with the machine's other features. For starters, the machine comes with approximately 682 designs pre-installed. Some of these, however, are only useful when sewing quilts. If you have access to a computer, you can use the supplied USB connector to upload additional patterns and designs to the machine. The 5 touchscreen on this Brother machine can also be used to manipulate the inbuilt designs as well as those you upload. This places it among the most versatile alternatives available. If you're looking for a die cutter with cutting-edge technology, the Silhouette Cameo 4 is one to consider. Its capacity to print wirelessly is one of its most impressive features. Yes, you can use Bluetooth to wirelessly link it to your phone, tablet, or computer. It doesn't get any more convenient than this product when it comes to convenience. Have you ever wished you could print directly from your vinyl rolls instead of having to physically undo them? What am I saying? A roll feeder is included with the Cameo 4, allowing you to HTV and vinyl directly from a roll. This is incredible as it saves so much time and work. With so many die-cutting machines on the market, changing the tool, such as from a blade to a pen, might take a long time. To match the new tool, you must change the software settings. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.